Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a bootable USB drive of macOS Sonoma. Now, what are the things which you need? Well, you need a USB drive, minimum 16 GB. Make sure you have backed up all the data you have on that USB drive because we are going to erase it off completely. Then the next thing you need is some patience, and then based on the internet speed, based on your USB drive, the timing of the whole process, end-to-end process of creating macOS Sonoma bootable USB drive may vary from user to user. First thing we need to do is to format our USB drive which we have attached to our Mac. So let me open Finder by opening any folder. Then I will go into applications here and I will go into utilities and I'm going to open disk utility. Herein we need to select this down arrow right above the view and make sure you have selected show all devices. Then once this option is checked, the next thing you need to do is select your USB drive and make sure you're selecting the top level of the USB drive. Do not select the volume but select the top level. So this is the top level of my USB drive. Then we're going to say erase and give it any name which you want to. It really doesn't matter. And then the format you need is macOS extended journaled. This is what you need. The scheme is going to be GUID partition map. And then the next thing we need to do is say erase. At this point, all the contents of the USB drive are being erased. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, make sure you do have a backup of any important data which you have on the USB drive because we were going to format it and erase it completely. Alright, now we get the message that erase process is complete. Click on done to continue. So that is what we're going to do. Next thing we need to do is we need to download macOS Sonoma installer, and the link which is in the description of the video is what you're seeing on your screen right now. Now this is the link directly from Apple's servers. So all I'm doing is copying this, pasting it in another tab, and bam, here it is. Install assistant. Where do I want to save it? I'm going to say put it on my desktop and we're going to say save. Now the installer here, this thing I think is around, let me check, this thing should be pretty big, so it is around 12 GB, so it will take some time, so make sure you are patient. Alright, so macOS Sonoma installer package is right here on my desktop. All I need to do is double click on it and then I'm going to say continue and I'm going to say install. Do note, this is only going to install the setup into my applications. This is not going to install macOS Sonoma on my Mac. So I will say install and it is asking me for my password. Let me enter in my password and then once I've entered my password, I am going to select install software. Alright, so here it is. You can see installation was successful. Close this and I have this install macOS Sonoma application in the applications folder. Next thing we need to do is you need to right click on this, or if you do not have a mouse you can do command plus left click in case you have right click disabled. So we need to say show package contents. Then we will go into contents. Then you will go into resources. Herein change the view. So on the top you have this bar, change it to list view. What we are looking for is create install media. This is the file which we need. But before that we also need to open terminal. So I suggest you can open another tab or another window, then go into applications and then we will go into utilities and then we will open terminal. Now once we have opened terminal, we will type in sudo space, so sudo space, and then we are going to drag and drop this create install media and then click anywhere else or press the right arrow on your keyboard. You will notice that there is a space after create install media. That space needs to be there. If that space is not there, feel free to add it. And then we are going to type in --volume. So --volume without any spaces between the hyphen and V. Everything here is case sensitive. Then we're going to give a space bar and now we need to plug in the path of our bootable drive which we have just formatted. How do you get that? Well, click anywhere on your desktop. You will see this go appear. Select go, then say go to folder. herein you need to type in slash volumes. Make sure that V is in caps and then press the enter key. So now we are over here. So this is our drive, bootable. This is the name I had given it. You could have given it any name. So drag and drop this over here. So now the name has been plugged in, and if I press the right arrow on my keyboard, that is what I have. So sudo space the create install media space hyphen volume space our path for the bootable drive, and then all you need to do is press the enter key. It is going to ask you for your password. The password you enter here is the one for your Mac. You will not see any characters. It is still being typed in. Once you've entered your password, press the enter key, and it is now telling me that to continue we need to erase the volume, and we're going to say yes. So type in Y, press the enter key. There it is. At this point it is erasing the disk. And now once the erase process has finished, it is creating the bootable drive for macOS Sonoma. And in fact, if you see the volume, they have actually renamed it to install macOS Sonoma. So this process will take some time, so you have to be patient. And once the process has finished successfully, it will let you know and it will return to a prompt. While the process is going on, please do not disconnect your USB drive from your Mac. So there it is, we are at 100%, but remember, we still do not have a prompt. So please at this point do not, and I repeat, do not disconnect the macOS Sonoma bootable drive from your Mac. There it is. Now we got the message that install media now available at volumes install macOS Sonoma. So now the process has actually finished, and at this point feel free to close terminal. If you want to eject the macOS Sonoma bootable USB drive, you can do that as well. Now once you have created a bootable macOS Sonoma USB drive, how do you boot from it? Well, if you have an Intel Mac, all you need to do is turn off your Mac. Make sure that your bootable macOS Sonoma USB drive is connected, and then when you turn it back on, press and hold the option key. Pretty soon you will be at a boot menu from wherein you can select the USB drive. It will show up as install macOS Sonoma. For Apple Silicon Macs, that is your M1, M2s, all you have to do is turn off your Mac and then press and hold the power button while the macOS Sonoma bootable USB drive is connected to the port, and again pretty soon you should be able to see a boot menu from wherein you should be able to use this macOS Sonoma bootable USB drive to install macOS Sonoma onto your Mac.